Hey, what's up, my beautiful? Hi, everyone. Okay, today, this is a mixture of what chicken, okay, onions, that is basil, tomatoes, that is tomato, or potatoes. The other one is called, which one? Capsicum, and which other? I'm forgetting the names. As you can see, it's a mixture of that. And the cooking today, we are cooking Marguga. Marguga. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but I guess it's Marguga. Yeah, it's Marguga. So this is our mixture. You close it like that, and then come on guys, okay, I'm deep cleaning my rice so that it can be well cleaned. And then after that, we are going to boil this rice or loose, and then we are going to boil it for like 1 minute, and then we are going to pour it or put it in the other gidi that we have our mixture of potatoes and everything. So today we are cooking Marguga. Yeah, that is, oh my goodness, we are cooking Marguga, as you can see. I don't hold in the camera, so let me. Rice is clean. You clean your rice until the water is clear. So our rice is clear for now. Let me just pour some hot water here, and then I add some cooking oil and salt, and then at around 1, we are going to boil it for how many minutes? Just a minute, and then we sew it or we mix it into the other square, the other package. So guys, let's go. So this is it, guys. This is our cooking oil. Oh my goodness, I hope I have not poured a lot. Just a little. And this is our salt. You can see. This is our salt. So should I put? Yeah, I guess that is enough. And this is our hot water. We put our hot water like that, and then the water. Yeah, I'm wearing gloves, so don't worry. So we let it cool there. Is it too cool? Or let it be for like how many minutes? Like 10 minutes to 1. So we put a lid on. Guys, this is it. After I have put it on fire, as you can see, it's boiling. It is on boiling point right now. Let's give it 1 more minute, and then we put it on our other mixture for 1 minute, and then we continue. You see, guys, it has already boiled for 1 minute, so we scoop, and then we put it here like this, like that. I'll show you. We scoop it like this as it continues boiling. As it continues boiling, yeah, like that, until our mixture is well covered. Don't forget that we are cooking Marguga. We are cooking Marguga today. Yeah. Guys, after covering the whole mixture, we add curcum. This one is a curcum. We put just a little curcum, like that. Like that. So after putting that, we cover it again using a foil. So I've used my foil to cover my cooking pot. And then I put on top, I put again this rib so that no pressure will come out until our loose and Marguga is done. So let's wait until it's done.